Oh my god, I didn't even realize that.
Vanwilligan.
Clearly I don't read closely enough.
It's very important that you read the names of these individuals.
Just ignore it.
The conclusion here is the last sentence, right? Yeah. What in the conclusion comes out of nowhere? Fairness. How many people saw that fair came out of nowhere?
I mean, it doesn't actually come out of nowhere because it says unfair in the beginning, but then the premises are stupid.
Yeah, so the unfairly high salaries is part of the opinion of others, right? So it comes out of nowhere when you're looking at the premises. And the premises are the only things that are supporting the conclusion. And there's no mention of that in the premises. So what type of question is this? Sufficient assumption. So the correct answer is probably going to take some form along the lines of, if one of the premises is true, then the conclusion is true. That's as simple as these get. And so I would look for something that says, if any of the premises are true, then the salaries are fair. Okay? What answers are we debating?
D.
A, B, D, E? A lot. Okay, let's start. Let's go through them. You can get rid of A in 2 words.
Fairest.
Why is fairest the fairest in the land? Why is this dead wrong? Why is this a problem? Michael, were you debating A?
No.
Okay. Anyone?
It's relative, not absolute.
It's relative and the conclusion was absolute. You can't cross those lines. Chloe, you seem distraught. Huh?
Caitlin is on fire today.
Yeah, you're killing it.
Oh, am I just going after you? Yeah, you're sitting in the hot seat. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I could go Taylor. I don't know why. I think Chloe had a reaction. But Taylor's like, wait, what? Sorry, I'm doing other questions right now. In any case, fairest is gone because it's relative and the conclusion is absolute. Are we all cool with that? I'm just trying to help you get rid of these answers as fast as possible. If you were debating A, it's very unfortunate because this is time wasted, right? When someone else is leaving this answer choice at word 2. Okay? All right. Is it? It is a competition.
Disagree on this.
B, if professional athletes were paid less for their services, then the teams for which they play would not make as much money. Wait, hold on. Who was tempted by this? Everybody's like, oh, not me.
I mean, I didn't cross it out.
Okay, wait. So why'd you keep it open, Sophia?
Because if I remember correctly, there was some sort of something that suggested that players make a lot of money for their
Why is B wrong?
with false contrapositive according to my colleagues.
Okay, that's not why. There's something that the answer choice has to address, and if it doesn't address it, it's insufficient. It doesn't talk about fairness. You gotta know what you're looking for. Okay. C. Oh, no one was tempted by C, is that right? The high level of competition? Okay, good. D. Is this a strong answer or a weak answer? Strong. Is that good or bad?
Any.
Good. Any salary that a team owner is willing to pay for the services of a professional athlete is a fair salary. If willing to pay, then fair. Are they willing to pay for these salaries? Yes, they are. That's what the premises said. Done. Answer choice E is wrong. And what did they do to make it wrong? Flipped it. This is a classic LSAT move, so catch it right now. If you're trying to prove a conclusion and an answer choice, or prove or strengthen a conclusion, and the answer choice starts out by saying, if the conclusion is true, you can stop right there and say, well, an answer choice that says, if the conclusion is true, is not going to do me any good in trying to show that it's true, right? And that's exactly what this does. If a professional athlete's salary is fair, we're like, okay, if it is, but I'm trying to show that it is. Answer choice D does the exact opposite by saying, if the salary is something that someone is willing to pay for, then it must be fair. That's actually getting you to the conclusion rather than starting with the conclusion. The exception to this would be what? We could talk about the conclusion in the if clause if they did what to the if clause? Then negate it. Yeah, if they had said, if the salary is not fair, then something would happen. The contrapositive of that would make it so that the fairness is now in the then clause, and that's totally fine. Are you guys cool with that? That was kind of a quick explanation. Okay.